In this lesson, we will see that the abstract methods we had, can we define them, and how will we utilize those definitions. Here, polysite class, which we have abstractly defined, inherited from abstract module. It has one function with the name of site. If I want to access that function, I have not abstractly defined that function, because for that I must have abstract decorators, which decorate the function. If I want to access the function of this class, I can access in two ways. The function which I have defined here will access with super keyword in the child class. Then whatever definition has been done in base class, that will be printed. Secondly, I have instantiated that class. In both cases, it will show correct output. It has shown us, I am abstract class. It has run first class, then run second class. Then at the point we created the object, it ran main and base class to show the output. Here we have third output. We said that we cannot instantiate base class. To confirm this, we have to define the methods abstractly, which are present inside with the help of abstract method decorator. We will first define them abstractly. I have this decorator of abstract method. With the help of this, I will decorate it. Now, the functions of this class will be abstract methods. I cannot define it here. If I have to call this, for that, super method will also not work, and its object should also be not created. If I am going to run this, it will generate an error, can't instantiate abstract class polysite with abstract method site. We have seen one thing at this point, that I created its object and it gave me an error. With the help of super in child class, when I tried to access its definition, then it worked properly. Whenever we want to access abstract classes, we can do so in child classes. We cannot access them directly with the help of objects. Secondly, we have some things which we will call abstract properties. For that, I have written a short code. If I save this code, here I have defined property of an abstract class. We will see that with properties and abstract properties, will we be able to access the objects or create an object. To define a property means that we will not access it as a function. We will access properties without the help of functions, then the result will be shown. It has shown us can't instantiate abstract class polysite with abstract method sites. That we can't access abstract class that is polysite. I have defined a property in its derived class with the help of property decorator. With the help of the object of this class, when I tried to access this property, I didn't access as a function. Without round brackets, I have accessed it. It has shown me its output. If I want to access as a function, then what result it will give me, let's see that also. It has generated the same error that can't instantiate abstract class polysite with abstract method site. When we define properties, then access them as functions or variables. In both ways, result will be displayed. When we want to access the second thing outside abstract class, the child class, when we try to access its method, then it generated an error that whenever you want to access a property, you cannot access as function. Simply, you write the name of the property, you will get the output. Here I have used try and exception. These two things are used to control the errors. We see error in red color. To control this, I have used try and exception block, which we will learn in our further classes. We have learned about abstract methods, abstract classes. What is concrete class? It is that class in which abstract method is defined. Here in 2 site class, I have defined abstract method, means it is my concrete class.